best feeling when working on something. You got the air filter zip tied together because it might be a little broke. Have this wired this way. I usually don't wire stuff like that because I don't really like it, but it's just temporary. But yeah. Installed a fuel filter because I didn't have one. Got it all put back together. Now we just put some gas in it and see if it'll crank up. Fixed it up. All we gotta do.
Shift it! Wham! He hits the boat. You still recording?
Yeah.
Caden is a goofball. And here he comes.
Here the crazy guy comes.
See, did a little trip just from down the road and back. This thing does 30 miles an hour with me on it, and I'm 6 foot and weigh 130 pounds. And I know I weigh real light for being 6 foot, blah, blah, blah. But still, I mean, that thing goes really fast. And I didn't even put it at full throttle. I just put it at almost full throttle. It's scary going on that thing since it's so tiny. Going that fast? No, sir. But anyways, yeah, runs perfect. So, yep, that's the end of this little section. Peace out.